Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload Cydia Tweaks to your source that you created with GitHub. If you didn't see the previous video in which I showed you how to create a free source, then watch it to know all the details. Okay, the first thing you need to do is download this file, which is the depictions file. You will find the download link below this video. After downloading the file, extract it. Now you will find this folder which contains something important. Now you need to move this folder to the folder you created with GitHub app. Okay, now I will move it to the folder that I created with GitHub. Okay, now you need the deb file of the tweak that you want to upload it. Now go to iOS repo updates. Now here search for the tweak you want to upload. I will search for social downloader tweak. As you can see, this is the tweak that I want to upload it to my source. Now scroll down and you will find the download link. As you can see, here you can choose the version you want. I will choose the latest version. Okay, now I will move the tweak to the desktop. Now I will change the name of the tweak to social downloader. You can type any name you want, but I recommend writing the name of the tweak. Now you need to move the deb file to the debs folder in the folder that you created with GitHub app. Okay, I will move the file now. Now you need to extract the deb file. Double click to extract the file. As you can see here you will find 3 files, but the important file you need is control.tar.gz file. Double tap on this file to extract it. Now you will get the control file, and that's what we need. Now open this file with text edit. Now you need to copy all this data and paste it in the packages file inside the folder you created with GitHub app. Now open the packages file with text edit. Now I will copy all this data and I will paste it in the packages file here. Okay, now close the control file. Now after copying the data and putting it here in the packages file, we need to add 4 things. Here you can change the description of the tweak. You can write what the tweak does. I will change the description here. Now here in the package line, change this ID to the tweak name. The name of the tweak that I want to upload is social downloader, so I will change it to social downloader. Make sure to change the package name. Okay, now the first thing you need to add here is the size of the tweak. Now here in packages file type size :space. As you can see, this is the tweak that I want to upload. Now here click get info. Now here you will find the size of the tweak. Here don't copy the size of the tweak in kilobytes, copy the size of the tweak in bytes. Copy the whole size as you can see here. Now paste the size of the tweak here in packages file. Guys, make sure to delete the comma. Make sure the size looks like this. The second thing that you need to add is MD5 sum of the deb file. Now here in packages file type MD5 sum space. To get the MD5 sum, open the terminal. Now here in the terminal write MD5 space. Now drag and drop the deb file of the tweak that you want to upload so you can get the MD5 sum. Now click enter. As you can see here, this is the MD5 sum that we need. Now copy it and paste it here in packages file. Now you need to add file name or the folder where you save the tweaks. As you can see here, I have the tweaks in the debs folder. Now type file name :space. Now type ./debs. As you can see, the name of the folder here is debs, so I've written debs. Now write / after debs. Now write the name of the tweak as they are. Now copy the full name of the tweak. Now paste the name here. Make sure that it looks like this. You need only to change the name of the tweak. The last thing you need to add is the depiction. Now go back to the depictions folder. Here you will find 2 files. These 2 files contain information about the tweaks that I will upload. You need only 1 file for each tweak that you will upload. I have 2 tweaks, so I will use the 2 files. Now change the folder name to match the name of the tweak you want to upload. Just copy the tweak name and paste it here. Every time you upload a tweak to your source, copy one of these files and change its name to match the name of the tweak you want to upload. Now here you will find screenshots folder. Here put the tweak pictures. You can put any picture you want, but make sure to add the name of the picture is in info.xml file. Now open changelog file. Here write your changes or the new features in the tweak. Edit this file when you upload an update to the tweak you want to upload. Now open info.xml file, and this is the important file. Now here write the tweak ID. Of course you can find it in the control file. As you can see here, this is the tweak ID. Now paste it here. Now here write the name of the tweak you want to upload. Now here write the version of the tweak and make sure it's the same number. Now here change the iOS version. If the tweak you want to upload supports iOS 9 and above, change the version here to iOS 9. The tweak I want to upload supports iOS 10 and above, so I will leave it 10 or above. Here write the description of the tweak. Rewrite the description here. Now write the description of the tweak images. It's not important. Here you can delete the changelog if you don't want it. Now here use the link you want. If you want to use Twitter, change it here to Twitter. I will use my Reddit account, so I will leave it as it is. Okay, now save the file. Now go back to the packages file. Now here paste this link. You will find this link in the file below this video. Now you need to edit this link to match yours. Okay, here write your source name. Be sure to paste your source link from here to here only. Now here you need to change the ID to the folder name in the depictions folder. As you can see here in the depictions folder, I will copy the name of this folder because this folder contains this tweak data. Now paste the folder name here after equals. Make sure the link looks like this. Now that we have almost finished everything, one step left is to change the packages file to bz2 file. To do this, open the terminal. Now here in the terminal type bzip2 space. Now drag and drop the packages file to the terminal. Now click enter. Once you click on enter, this file will change to bz2 file automatically. As you see, the file has changed to bz2 file. Okay, now you need to extract this file. Okay, here make sure that you have these two files, the packages file and the packages.bz2 file. Now we have finished all the steps. Now the last thing you need to do is open GitHub app. Once you open GitHub app, you should find a new changes. As you can see, I have a new changes here. Now here in summary, type updated. Now click commit to master. Now click push origin and wait a few seconds. Now open Cydia and update your sources. Now let's continue on Cydia. Okay, this is my source. As you can see here, I have only one tweak in my source. Now I will refresh my sources. Now click here on refresh button. If you follow the steps correctly, after updating the Cydia sources, you should see the new tweak in your source. Okay, now I will open my source and I should find the new tweak that I just uploaded. As you can see here, now there are two tweaks in my source. This is the tweak that I just uploaded, and it is social downloader tweak. As you can see, here is the name of the tweak and the description that I have written. Now I will install the tweak to make sure everything is working successfully. As you can see, the tweak was installed successfully. Now I will respring my device to make sure that the tweak appears in the settings. Okay, now go to settings. As you can see guys, this is the tweak and everything works successfully. The tweak works without any problem. If you followed my steps correctly, it should work for you too. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.